Get ready for an awesome monster truck Lego story. We're also going to find a hidden Hot Wheels monster truck. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Joe, and we're at the Lego junkyard. This is where all the crashed up Lego cars get brought. It's a pretty cool place to work. Check it out. There's crashed up Lego cars everywhere. We've got a lot of really cool things out in the junkyard here. I might take you around and show you a couple of things before I tell you the awesome story of how we found a monster truck out on the Lego junkyard. First off, check out this cool robot one of the guys created. It's pretty awesome. Really cool. Check it out. There are some of the stacked up, crashed up cars. Here's some of the equipment we use around the junkyard. This thing's pretty awesome. We move cars around with it and push all kinds of junk around. Check it out. Watch this. This is how we move some of the crashed up cars. Pretty awesome. This thing has a lot of power. It's called a front end loader. I just wish it had a good CD player. There's always a lot of work going on at the Lego junkyard. Everybody stays really busy out here. I'm gonna hop out of this thing and go climb up this Lego hill and show you how big the actual Lego junkyard is. It's pretty huge because a lot of Lego cars get crashed. Everybody's really excited today at the junkyard because tomorrow is Taco Tuesday. Check out all the crashed Lego cars. We have all kinds of other junk out here too. It's a pretty good job working at the Lego junkyard. I've got a 401k and awesome block insurance. Everyone at the Lego junkyard loves Monster Jam. My favorite monster truck is Grave Digger. Check it out. Here's Blockhead, our junkyard dog. He is really awesome, and he loves Taco Tuesdays too. Blockhead's so cool, he'll let you jump on his back and ride him around like a horse. Totally awesome. Here's Billy the monkey, and he's trying to tell me something. Let's follow him and see what's going on. I think he's saying there's something under this blue car. We'll get the front end loader and move the blue car and see if there's something up under it. With this awesome piece of equipment, taking out the blue car is no problem. But I'm not seeing nothing up under the blue car. Let's get a closer look. Maybe we need to use my jackhammer. This thing's pretty heavy. Let's crank this bad boy up. This thing gets the job done in a hurry. Wow, check it out! We found one of the Hot Wheels monster trucks! Let's see who we got. Check it out. We got Chassis Snapper. Wow, it comes with a connect and crash car. This thing is really cool. Let's open this bad boy up. Wow, this thing's really cool. Check out the awesome paint job. It's got a turtle shell roof. A really cool Hot Wheels monster truck. Check out that big time crash. Let's do some freestyle with Chassis Snapper. Look at him go, big time air. Over the crushed cars. What an awesome monster truck. Check out that big time backflip. Yes. Awesome crashes with this thing, really cool. Now to the story on how we found that awesome Lego monster truck. One day we were digging. We were looking for more room to park crashed cars, and we thought about parking them underground, but our equipment wasn't getting the job done. So they told me one of the creators made something awesome. They made this awesome drill machine that was mixed with a 4x4 car to dig through the ground. And I said I wanted to be the first one to drive it. Check out that drill. This thing looks really cool. Hopefully it'll get the job done. I just need to learn the controls. There's the drill switch. Check out the drill. Here we go, let's go for it. We're gonna drill through there and see if we can make this a lot easier. Here we go. Wow, this thing is just tearing through the Legos. We'll have this new parking space done in no time. I was drilling for a long time, and then all of a sudden, I seen something. And I said, I've got to hop out of this thing and go check that out. So I pulled up a little closer and jumped out of the machine. And I was just amazed. I had just found a sleeping monster truck. I was kind of scared at first, but I was like, hey, this thing might be pretty awesome to drive. But the first thing I needed to do was clear out a bigger space to get the monster truck out. So I started clearing out the Lego bricks to make an awesome path that was big enough for the monster truck to get through. I can't wait to tell the guys what I found. Alright, that should be big enough. Now I'm just going to crash this thing into the wall and go get the monster truck. I'm so excited. Hopefully this is a friendly monster truck. It's still sleeping. Hopefully I don't make it angry when I wake it up. Wow, it woke right up. This monster truck's ready to go. This thing is super cool. I can't wait till everybody sees it. I'm gonna press the gas. Wow, this thing's got some awesome power. Check it out. Everybody was super excited to see the monster truck that we found buried underground. I decided to take it out for a spin and do some freestyle out in the Lego junkyard. It was crushing cars left and right, no problem. I think this monster truck could win a couple of Monster Jam World Championships. I might enter it this year. Now all we need is an awesome monster truck name. I think we'll call this monster truck Block Crusher. That sounds pretty cool. Who's your favorite Monster Jam monster truck? Leave in the comments below. And have you kept up with how many times I've said awesome in this video? Leave your guess in the comments below. Well guys, that's all today from the Lego Junkyard. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel.